Good morning, students, and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself, Anjana Dikshit from New Area Senior Wing. Children, this video is for class 8, and today I'll again explain the lesson, The Summit Within. This is the second video of the lesson. Yesterday, I had already explained, I had given you the summary, and today I'll explain the lesson again. As I had told you in the previous video, the meaning of the title, The Summit Within. The summit, what does it mean? It means the highest point of a hill or a mountain, and within means inside. Clear, students? The Summit Within is the story of experience of Major Ahluwalia, a member of the first successful Indian expedition to the Mount Everest. A climb to summit means the demonstration of climbers' endurance, persistence, and willpower. Since the childhood, the writer was very much attracted towards the mountain. So he was very much interested also, and so he chose mountaineering as his profession, and he liked that. Of all the emotions which surged through me, I stood up on the summit of the Everest. That means he stood at the highest point of the Everest when he climbed the mountain successfully. And when he reached the top, he started thinking, why have I come to the top? Why I have choose this? Because I have faced much difficulties, but still he was happy on reaching the top. At the same time, he was sad also. Now why he was sad? He was sad because that was the highest point, and when you reach to a highest point, after that, what does it happen? You always fall from that point. Yeah, you come down from that point. You don't have any other challenge to go beyond that limit, isn't it? I always thought, while reaching on the top, why I have choose that profession? And the answer was because it is there and it presents great difficulties, and man take delight in overcoming difficulties. So in order to climb a mountain, it's not an easy job. It is very difficult. You should have strong determination to go there. Your willpower should be very strong. Then only you can reach at the top. Because you face many difficulties. Sometimes it snows. It is snowing heavily, or it is not a plain route. There are many obstacles, and sometimes you feel tired and you feel as if I'll return, but returning is more difficult because the way is half. When you reach the half of the mountain, then you think to return, then it is easy to climb only, because when you return, it will also take time. Once I reach the highest point, question always arises in my mind, why only Mount Everest? And the answer is because it is the highest point. So I have choose this. Reaching on the top, the writer feels as if it is another world. The world seems to be very different from that point. The writer explains the beauty from the peak of the mountains. When he sees down, the whole earth seems to be covered with silver, and the light which falls on that puts light. The silver peaks of the mountains appears through the cloud, and when You see from below, you can see vast valleys. When anyone reached at the top of the mountain, they put some sign. Okay, so Mr. Ahluwalia left the picture of Guru Nanak. Okay, he left the picture of Guru Nanak because he had faith in Guru Nanak. Rawat left the picture of Durga because he had faith in that. And when he reached there, he left a picture of goddess Durga. P.U. Georges left the picture of Buddha. And Edmund Hillary buried a sign of cross inside the earth. These were not the picture of symbols, but it was the picture of reverence. It was not the picture of that you conquered, so you put that picture, but it was the picture of reverence. With these god or goddess only, you were able to reach the top of the mountain. Once you climb the summit, you are completely a different man. You are completely a changed man. There is another summit, and that is within you yourself. It is in your mind. Each man has something of his own mountain peak. That means he has some aim, and to fulfill that aim, it is just like to climb the mountain peak. When you have any aim or any goal, you only have to fulfill it. No other person can help you in that. When you have strong determination and willpower, then only you can reach your goal. You can reach your target. You yourself have to do it. The physical act of climbing to the mountain outside, is to act climbing mountain within yourself. That means inside. When you have some determination from inside, then only you can do it. The effect of both the climb are same, whether in your life, your physical or inner ambition. It teaches you much about the world and about yourself, whether you can do it or not. And my experience after climbing, I think that I can face any difficulty in my life after climbing. The writer feels so. Climbing the mountain is a worthwhile experience. The conquest of internal experience, internal climb, is also equally worthwhile. The internal summits are higher than Everest. That means suppose you want to become a doctor or an engineer. So it is not that easy to become a doctor or an engineer. For that you have to work day and night. If you want to become an IPS or IAS, you have to work day and night. That is also a summit. That is also not that easy unless you have strong determination. Clear, students? That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.